奈良は日本の誇れることです。1300年以上の歴史がゆえの奥深い伝統文化が育まれ、そして美しい自然が豊かな場所です。こうした歴史と文化と自然が絶妙に調和した都市であることが奈良の魅力だと思っています。JW マリオット奈良の開業というのは日本で初進出となります。奈良にとっては初の外資系ラグジュアリーホテルの開業ですし、初進出のものとして2つが出会ったということに立ち会えたことに大変嬉しく思っています。
In order for us to design a new hotel in a location, especially where we haven't been before, we create a story. It's not our intention to make it obvious. In the JW Nara, it's there if you want to find it. As a designer, I'm fascinated with the scale of the temples, and we wanted to bring some of this into the interior for the hotel. The sort of simplicity of timber and stone and heavy beams and things like that. So we sort of drew the inspiration from those sort of places. Design was meant to be based around a luxury house in Nara. Whilst you're there, it is your home. The relaxed feeling that you get walking into a luxurious grand house with gentle detailings echoing the crafts and the arts found around Japan and Nara. When the guest sort of sits down in the areas, they feel the table, they feel the furniture, and it gives them a sense of quality that somebody cares for this space, somebody's brought it to life. As a backdrop to the reception is a full-height art wall displaying the hills that surround Nara. And Nara has a lot more to it than temples and diya. However, these are the elements that we wanted to depict for the hotel because they're sort of memorable and they make it more distinct from other cities in Japan. The large stag image in the bar, that is one of the key features as you walk in the hotel, and I think something that everyone will remember. So it's one of my favourite pieces. It is believed that Nara was the final stop on the famous maritime Silk Road, and we have several references to this within the design details. Two feature art pieces adorn the space in the form of giant deconstructed metal urns to remind us of some of the ancient artefacts which were brought through the many continents. The executive lounge design offers a luxury space away from the more busy and social areas of the hotel. The elements here echo the features from other areas, but in a smaller, more residential style environment. The spa at JW Marriott is aimed to capture some of the calmness and purity found in the Tempyo architectural temples around Nara.
シェフという立場からすると、料理を作って提供してっていうことですけども、それをできるだけパーソナライズしたシェフもゲストとの会話をしたりとかリレーションシップみたいなことを含めて、満足していけるようなサービスを提供できたら一番いいと思ってます。JW マリオット奈良ではですね、まずあぜくらジャパニーズレストランですね、ここは寿司のカウンターとあとは懐石、個室も含めてですけども、あとは鉄板焼きという、構成になっています。それの他に、オールデイダイニングではヨーロッパから、アジア、シルクロードっていう名前もありますので、紐づくような料理ですね、そういったものを取り入れています。JW マリオット奈良では、崩してはいけない伝統的な料理方法だとかもあるとは思うんですけども、そこから一つ、自分たちの オリジナルっていうんですかね、技法だとかスタイルっていうのも少し出しながら人の真似をするんではなくて人から真似られるようなことをしていきたいと思ってます。JW マリオットならではですね、大和茶っていうものに力を入れて、月ヶ瀬というところで、植久保さんという方がすごくお茶にこだわってる、もう本当に自分のこだわりっていうものを崩さない素晴らしいお茶の生産者がいて、でその方は本当に自分も見習わなきゃいけない、自分たちもJW マリオットでやっていくにはこれぐらいのこだわりを持っていかなきゃいけないということで、その方のお茶を一部料理にも使わせてもらってます。
お出しする季節の風景であったりとか食材を浮かべながら、そこで食材の顔色見ながら献立を考えておりますけど、はい。JW のガーデンに関しましては、取り立ての野菜をお客様に味わっていただくためにいろんな工夫をしながらお出しするようにはしております。はい。やはり我々のチームスタッフが本当に楽しく料理を作って、その料理がお客様の元に届いて、そのとこのお客様が最後帰る時に美味しかったよって言っていただけるような料理が一番いいですね、私は。
We have so many amazing things that we can work with in Japan. Japan has gins and beer and sake and umeshu and so many things to play with that we can just experiment and experiment and experiment and cross over those two parts of the culture right here in this part of Nara. That's how I visualize this bar.
When you come to Nara, I think the thing that touched me the most was it feels real. And maybe it's because it was the first capital of Japan, or the history is so long, but it really feels untouched. It's not polished, shiny for tourists, but it's real and raw and natural. Todaiji Buddha was built 1300 years ago, and the way I understand the story, that Buddha was built to really show compassion and encourage the people of the time. And we hope in our small way, opening the JW Nara, we also will show our warm hospitality and welcoming to our guests that come to visit the hotel. There's so many parts of the hotel that I think are truly special, whether it be the beautiful swimming pool that's kind of hidden away, our Azakura restaurant, which is based off of the Shoso Inn treasure house. But the true place that I think I find is very special is our lobby. We hope that the JW Marriott Nara will be a hidden gem. JW Marriott is not just a business, but it is a family. JW Marriott said that true luxury is created by people who love what they do. We hope that after their travels for the day, they come back and they find a warm, welcoming home to sleep in and stay in Nara.